Hi guys! Today is all about organization. We moved into our house about 6-7 months ago, and when we moved in I wasn't really paying very much attention to how I set my kitchen up. I just wanted to get things put away, and now that we've been here for a little while, I'm discovering that things just don't work where they're at. And today I want to redo my spice cabinet and my baking cabinet, because right now this is what they look like. This is the spice cabinet, and there's just no organization to it. You got to move a lot of stuff around. It's just hard to find stuff, so I want to fix that. And then we have the baking cabinet, which if you want to take anything out of here and use anything, you pretty much have to empty the entire cupboard to get to it. So I really want to rearrange things and make this more user friendly. I did purchase this spice rack from Amazon just to kind of help get some of the spices staggered so I can see what I have, some of the smaller bottles. And I also did buy my my baking storage containers from Amazon. I will leave those links down in the description box if you are interested in any of those products.
All right, first things first, to get started, I had to empty out the cupboard and figure out all I had. I decided to, since I was doing this, it's time to wipe everything down and get everything clean and get it all nice and clean for putting the spices back. I also decided, since I was going to try and put all of my baking and spices in this cupboard, I needed a third shelf, so I put that in, and then I decided to put the baking containers on the top and my spice rack stair in the center, and then I put all of my spices back in alphabetically. Now, believe it or not, I had many duplicates, so I had to very carefully organize all of this, and some of the ones that wouldn't fit because they're larger I put on the side, and then all of my bulk spices I put along the bottom. And this is going to make life so much easier. I feel more organized already, and this was the end result, which is way more useful and way more user-friendly. Onto the baking cabinet, I emptied that out, and boy did I find out that I had a lot of cake sprinkles and sugars and all sorts of things from past baking projects. So I decided to find a bin that I got from the dollar store and just decided to corral all of those sprinkles and cake decorations and nuts and whatever else I had, and just keep it corralled into this one bin. And now whenever I need that kind of stuff, I just can pull out this bin and see what I have. It's all nice and neat and in one spot and not all over the cupboard. Now I'm just putting the bigger things that were in this cupboard back on the bottom. I have vinegar, protein powder, a big thing of kosher salt, coconut oil, just larger things that I would use for baking, corn syrup, my baking bin going on the top shelf. I also had some stevia that's going to just go on the bottom, and then a few of the extra spices that I had that are duplicates I just decided to put on that top shelf just so they're kind of out of the way and I know exactly where they are. And now hopefully I won't be buying so many duplicate spices anymore, because now I know what I have. And here is the end result. I think it turned out really great and is going to be much more user-friendly.
Holy moly guys, that is going to be a huge difference. Here's the before, here's the after. I'm super stoked. I think it turned out pretty good. It did not cost me a lot of money to do this. I mean, I was basically able to do this whole project for maybe $20-$25, if that. I mean, it was very inexpensive, and it's going to make a huge difference to have all of my spices and baking goods all in one central area, and then to have all of my sprinkles and things, you know, nuts and all those other things that I bake with, to have those all corralled just in a little bin is going to make a huge difference. It's a space saver, and it's going to help keep me organized. Having everything in alphabetical order with the spices is going to make a huge difference as well. I'm really excited. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. That would be amazing. And I will also leave the links to the things that I did buy and purchase in the description box. They were really cheap on Amazon, and gotta love Amazon for that. And as always, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.